Amazon PPC placement strategy. This is a small thing but a very important thing which will decide like at which place Amazon will show your ad. Because as you guys already know, in my past couple of videos, I have explained that there are mainly three places where Amazon basically display your ad. Number one is the top of the search, number two is the bottom of the search, and number three is on product pages of your competitor, right? So basically the phenomena is simple. Like for example, you are having a shop, right? And that shop is on the main road. And there is another shop which is on the street where there is no public or very less public. So obviously if we compare the sales of both shops, the main road shop will get more sales as compared to the shop which is inside the street where there is no traffic or less public, right? So this same phenomena we can implement to Amazon strategy, right? Because if you are running some ads on Amazon and Amazon display your product ad on top of search, bottom of search or on product pages, so you need to decide and you need to get the data like how much sales you are getting from top of search, how much sales you are getting from bottom of search, and how much sales you are getting from product pages. And then you can actually write and compare like from which place you are getting more and more sales. And once you know like from this place I am getting more sales, so then in your next step of optimization you must have to put more money, more bids or more percentage on that place from where you are getting more sales. Because if you utilize your PPC budget efficiently and put more budget on that place from where you are getting more sales, then obviously your campaign will be more optimized, and after optimizing your campaign and bids for particular that place, you will get more sales from PPC and hence you will get more revenue, more profit, and ranking of your product on more keywords on first page of Amazon, right? So basically this is a very short video, but it is very important video for you to know like how you can actually adjust the placement of your Amazon PPC campaign, how you can actually tell Amazon like please display my ad on this place, not on this place. So when you do that, then Amazon will do the optimization of that campaign as per your recommendation. So basically after watching this video, it will be totally in your control, like in your hand, that where Amazon will display the ad of your product. So right after watching this video, you will be able to optimize your Amazon PPC campaign bids by yourself, and you will be able to decide like at which place you want to show your ad and on which place you don't. So to learn this small trick, keep on watching. So as you can see that this is my 1 week sales, and if I put the filter for past 1 year and click on apply, so you can see that this is my 1 year sales. You can see that throughout the year I got consistent sales, and my sales actually increased in December, which was Christmas season. So around 150k was the revenue, and a cool thing about this is that the PPC spend was very less for the lifetime. So basically I don't do any magic, I only use common sense and use some tips and tricks which I've already explained you in these videos. So if you also want to learn all of those tips, tricks and strategies, you can just go on my Amazon playlist on YouTube and learn all the tips for free just to get the revenue like this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on Amazon website right now, and for example I have searched here for a product garlic press. So basically when you're selling on Amazon, you need to learn about the process of sales, like how customers go on Amazon, how they search the product they want, and how they purchase their product, right? If you learn that whole process, it will be so much easier for you to grow your Amazon business and earn more money, right? So basically if I'm a customer and I want garlic press, so I will go on Amazon and search for my keyword, and then I will be able to see some listings from different sellers who are selling that same product which I bought, right? So after searching, when I scroll down, I will be able to see these 4 ads. You can see that sponsored, sponsored, sponsored. So basically these are the ads from top of the search placement, right? And if I go further down, I can see some more ads on middle of the page. You can see that these are also sponsored ad. And if I go further down, I can see this video ad, right? So basically these ads are middle of the search page. So sometime it happen that you get more sale from top of search, or sometime you get more sale from middle of search. So to get more sales, to earn more money, you need to adjust your bids as per your results, right? And if I go up and click on any of the listing just like that, so from this competitor listing page, I can see some ad here. So if you're getting more sales from product pages ads, that means when your buyer go on Amazon, search for the keyword they want, and then after scrolling down, they click on any of the listing, they will see your ad. So they will purchase from your listing instead of that listing which they click. So that is called product pages placement, right? So if you watch my previous video in this playlist, in which I have explained you how you can actually download the Amazon PPC placement reports, so from those reports you will learn like how many sales are coming from which placement. So once you know that you are getting more sales from which placement, it will be easy for you to adjust bid, right? So for example, you have run your ad and you know that your 80% of the sales are coming from product pages, right? So all you have to do is you have to go on your Amazon PPC campaign, edit that campaign and increase the bids and percentage for your ad to be displayed on product page placement. So by doing this, Amazon will show your ad on product pages most of the time. so you can actually get more sales instead of wasting money on those places from where you're not getting sales, right? So to change the bid and percentage, you have to go on your Amazon PPC campaign manager, and then you can just create a new campaign or edit your old campaign, right? So when you create a new campaign or edit your old campaign, you will be able to see a module here under campaign, which is called campaign bidding strategy. So from here, you can actually change the bid of your campaign, and at the end of this module, you can see this option which says adjust bids by placement. So if you click on that option, so here you can see that Amazon is asking you, like, give me the percentage of your ad budget to be utilized in which placement, right? So for example, if we know that 80% of the sales are coming from product pages and the other two placement like top of search or rest of search are not performing good, so you can actually keep them 0 and you can make product pages 100% and then click save and continue. And just like that, if on other scenario, you are getting 50-50, like 50% sale from top of search and 50% from product pages, you can make it 50 and you can make it 50 as well, and you can keep rest of search 0. So by doing that, Amazon will not show your ad on this placement, but Amazon will show your ad on this placement and this placement and utilize your budget as per your percentage which you have just given, right? So this is a very small thing, a small adjustment of bids and percentage, but it can actually make a huge impact on the performance of your campaign. So if you watch my video on product placement report, download that report and learn about all of your campaign, like which campaign is bringing you more sales from which placement. So if you get that data and if you optimize all of your campaign as per that data, then believe me, after optimizing your campaign, after 7 or 10 days, you will be amazed from the results. Because if you show your Amazon product ad on that placement from which you're getting good traffic and sales, and if you divert your Amazon PPC campaign to show your ad on only that placement, then imagine you can actually get the maximum sales from that ad on your Amazon product, right? So right after watching this video, go there, check out your placement and adjust your placement percentage so you can actually get maximum sales out of your PPC campaigns. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.
What we do here is go back.